Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 10 Best Amazon Review Products. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. Top 8 Kitchen Dish Dining Rack, Amazon gadgets and innovation videos like we're going to unbox the latest gadget that's taking the tech world by storm, or I'll share my top 8 kitchen dish dining rack. So let's start the video.
The multifunctional dish. Drying rack is a sleek and efficient solution for your kitchen. It maximizes space with multiple tiers for dishes, utensils, and even cutting boards. Built with durable materials, it offers a sturdy design that drains water effectively, keeping your countertops dry. Elevate your kitchen organization with this versatile dish rack.
The Kitchen Dish Drying Rack is the ultimate space-saving solution for your kitchen. Designed to fit perfectly on your counter or over the sink, this multifunctional dish rack keeps your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Its sleek design ensures efficient drying while maximizing your counter space. Elevate your kitchen experience with Kitchen.
The SNSL XH 2 Tier 4 baskets over the sink dish. Drying rack is the ultimate space saver for your kitchen. With its adjustable width of 24.35.4, it fits perfectly over any sink, keeping your counters clutter-free. This multifunctional rack offers ample storage with 4 baskets, ensuring your dishes dry efficiently while maintaining a sleek, organized kitchen.
The extendable dish drying rack is the ultimate space-saving solution for your kitchen counter. Its multifunctional design accommodates dishes, utensils, and more, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Crafted for durability and convenience, this compact dish rack is perfect for any kitchen size. Say goodbye to messy countertops with this sleek and efficient drying rack.
The Antipy Small Dish Drying Rack is the perfect blend of style and function for compact kitchens. Its sleek design maximizes counter space while providing ample room for your dishes to dry efficiently. Durable and easy to clean, this rack makes dish duty a breeze. Elevate your kitchen organization with this smart, space-saving solution.
Transform your kitchen with the B-Land Dish Drying Rack. This 2-tier marvel offers ample space for all your dishes and utensils, keeping your countertop clutter-free. Its durable design handles heavy loads with ease, while its sleek look complements any kitchen decor. Simplify your dishwashing routine with this stylish and efficient drying rack.
The SNSL XH 2-Tier Dish Drying Rack is a kitchen essential that combines style and functionality. With its spacious design and durable construction, it efficiently holds dishes, utensils, and more, keeping your countertop clutter-free. The adjustable baskets ensure versatility, while the sleek finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Elevate your dish drying experience with this multifunctional rack.
Functional dish drying rack is a kitchen game changer, offering ample space to dry your dishes efficiently. With its sturdy design and sleek look, it fits perfectly on any countertop, keeping your kitchen organized. This versatile rack even accommodates pots and pans, making cleanup a breeze. Elevate your kitchen routine with this essential dish drying solution.